And today he's one of the top of the Kellogg group. So these are a lot of AIIMS director is from Guwahati Medical College. So a lot of doctors are there, advocates are there, media persons are there. So a lot of scope I don't know. And I know this about Radha Sinha's people, her capability, efficiency, besides her commitment and attachment to the state. So definitely you are lucky to have it. Yanavaniwas, I know his commitment, his capabilities, and his interest. I'm very happy that he takes a lot of interest. And for all, I asked few questions. I said, about the faculty, all along I know that initially he had to face the difficulties of getting the faculty members. Now he has overcome also. Now the number of students has gone up. I'm very happy it is coming up very nicely. It is a very healthy baby. It is growing very healthy and it has undoubtedly better futures. I have all the best of luck. Thank you very much.
Right, ladies and gentlemen, that was achieved yesterday evening. Honorable Chief Minister Shri Torun Gogoi Dangoria, thank you so much, sir, for taking time out of your otherwise very busy schedule and being here this evening. And I'm sure that your presence here tonight is definitely going to go a long way in making the young students of Guwahati College of Architecture all the more inspired and encouraged. Thank you so much. Moving on, ladies and gentlemen, now as a part of the program here tonight, we would also like to present some wishes, or rather best wishes, that the Guwahati College of Architecture fraternity has received over the last few days from across all parts of Northeast. Now, having realized that GCA is celebrating its foundation day, eminent dignitaries from across different states of the Northeast have come up with their best wishes. And to read out those messages, those special messages, I would like to go up on stage two very young and energetic students of Guwahati College of Architecture. They are 8th semester students. Please put your hands together and welcome on stage, ladies and gentlemen, Sochumulo and Vidushi. A round of applause for Sochumulo and Vidushi.
A very good evening to you all. On this special occasion, we have received heartwarming messages from dignitaries of our 7 sister states who would like to read them out for you. The first message comes from His Excellency the Governor of Assam, Sri Janki Pallav Patnaik. He says, I am glad to learn that Guwahati College of Architecture is organizing its foundation day on the 27th of February 2010 and to commemorate its occasion bringing out its first college magazine. I hope it will be a good source for disseminating information to its readers. I send my greetings and best wishes to all students of this college for success in their endeavors. I shall now read out to you this message received from His Excellency the Governor of Mizoram, Retired Lieutenant General M.M. Lakhera. He says, it gives me immense pleasure to learn that Guwahati College of Architecture is celebrating its foundation day on 27 February 2010 and will be publishing its maiden college magazine to commemorate the event with prosperity. There is a growing demand for professionally trained architects who would be able to design and deliver quality and attractive constructions. I am happy to note that the Guwahati College of Architecture is catering to the needs of northeastern states by offering a bachelor degree in architecture. On the occasion of its foundation day, I convey my best wishes for Guwahati College of Architecture to grow from strength to strength and to continue to meet the aspiration of the young youth of Northeast for a career in architecture.
We now have a message from His Excellency, the Governor of Sikkim, Shri Balmiki Prasad Singh. He says, I am pleased to learn that Guwahati College of Architecture is holding the annual day to commemorate its foundation day on 27 February 2010 and also bringing out its first college magazine on this occasion. Architecture is an integral manifestation of our culture. It has evolved through harmony with nature and integration of available resources. Modern architecture should not only capture the beauty and ethos of our past achievements in this field, but also secure harmonious coexistence with nature. Modern architecture should blend comfort and style without any compromise on respect for nature. I am aware that Guwahati College of Architecture is one of the finest colleges in Northeast. I have every hope and wish that this institute will be counted amongst the best in the country. On this occasion, I wish to convey my best wishes to the members of the organizing committee and wish them great success.
Next message comes from His Excellency the Governor of Tripura, Shri T.Y. Patel. He says, it is indeed a great pleasure to know that Guwahati College of Architecture is bringing out a magazine on the occasion of its 4th annual Foundation Day on 27 February 2010. I wish to convey my best wishes for the function and to all concerned who have contributed to bring out the institute promoted by Donor Foundation.
This message is from His Excellency the Governor of Meghalaya, Shri Ranjit S. Mushahari. He says, I am delighted to know that Guwahati College of Architecture is bringing out its first college magazine on the occasion of its annual day on February 27, 2010. Architecture is a form of creative art and it enhances the sense of beauty in the human mind. We need greater creativity to keep our hearts and minds in sync with nature's tranquility and peace. I hope Guwahati College of Architecture would be able to contribute to this need through its facility as an institution of transferring creativity. I wish the student and the faculty and its annual day all the success.
This message is from Minister of Education, Assam, Shri Kotam Pora. He says, it gives me immense pleasure to know that Guwahati College of Architecture is going to celebrate its Foundation Day on 27 February 2010 at IDA Machpur, Guwahati, and to commemorate the occasion, the first college magazine is being published. Guwahati College of Architecture has a significant role to play for educational as well as socio-economic development of the society, and I hope this institution will be able to develop the innate ability of the students of this region and fulfill their aspirations. I am also hopeful that the college magazine will contain valuable articles which will be beneficial for all students, readers and all sections of the people. I will grant success of all the programs of the Foundation Day celebration and the college magazine.
This message comes from Professor O.K. Mehdi, Vice Chancellor, Guwahati University. He says, it gives me immense pleasure to know that Guwahati College of Architecture has decided to publish the annual college magazine on occasion of its Foundation Day. I take the opportunity to convey my best wishes to all concerned for grand success of their mission and hope the magazine will contribute in augmenting the image of the institute.
We have another message from respected President of Council of Architecture, Professor Vijay Sri Krishna Sohani. He says, I am very much pleased to know that Guwahati College of Architecture is celebrating its annual function and Foundation Day on Saturday 27 February 2010. I wish all success to the students, faculty and organizers of this function and the college authorities. I hope that Guwahati College of Architecture, with the hard work and sincere efforts of all concerned, will soon become a center of excellence in architecture and greatly contribute to spatial development and growth of not only northeastern region but also other parts of the country.
This message comes from Shri U.C. Das, Registrar of Guwahati University. He says, "There is a beginning of everything, and a good beginning shows the road of progress. A good progress leads to success, and repeated successes make a leader." This is what I would like to convey to the Guwahati College of Architecture through the first issue of annual magazine. The beginning of the annual magazine commemorating with Foundation Day of the college on 27 February 2010. I sincerely hope that this will be the milestone on the path of progress of the college and convey my best wishes to all for a grand success. This was our final message. I would like to express gratitude to all the dignitaries for their warm wishes and encouragement they gave us. We hope to live up to their expectations. Thank you.
So we have to go for all types of facilities. Our boys and girls are there, and how should they go out of it? Yes.
Thank you, girls. That was well done. Well, ladies and gentlemen, finally we are on with the entertainment section of the evening. Right, the movie Teen Patti is creating quite a few ripples. But if you are wondering why am I talking about Teen Patti, well, I'm talking about Teen Patti because we don't have to go any further than this point. Because coming up right away are three aces. Teen Ikke aa rahe hain aapke samne. They happen to be Abhigyan, Abhinav and Ankon. They are extremely popular students of the college and they are extremely talented in terms of their musical abilities as well. Now this will be one of the first, this will be the first of the quite a few performances that we have up in store for you this evening. So ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for Abhigyan, Abhinav and Ankon, and they are all here to entertain you with an instrumental presentation. We'll have Abhinav and Ankon on the guitar and helping them from backstage with his exotic blend of drum beats or other dhol beats would be Abhigyan. So ladies and gentlemen, the presenters in front of you in just a moment.